What's up YouTube, this is JB, and today I'm going to do a review on my Jeep Wrangler. Had it for about a month now, but today was the first day I've been able to just really wash it up and make it look clean for the video. So first, I'm actually take pictures of the truck first. I got this spot I like to go to, see how long I can stay there before security come and make me go, because wherever there's a nice place to take pictures, security always make you leave. They don't want you taking pictures there. So I'm gonna see what I could do picture wise and try to do the video there too, but until then, stay tuned. Alright, so here's the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara JL. The first thing you'll probably notice is the lights in the fender flares. Before, the turn signals were actually in the grill, and now they actually put them in the fender flares. To me, I think it probably looks better, but I can see where people probably see it's a problem for when you want to switch out your fender flares, which people usually do with the Jeep Wrangler. So let's walk around the rest of the vehicle. Now they also added this new vent. It's a functional vent to help with the hood flutter. So basically now it's allowing air to get out. Doors still come off. I do have the premium soft top. It just makes it easier for me if I ever want to let the top down, instead of having to have somebody help me with the hard top. Now for rim and tires, I got some 20-inch Fuel Off-Road Mavericks, and I got the Toyo RTs size 33s on here. I mean, from the look of things, I could probably do 35s. That might be, next time I need some more tires or something. So now with the rear, they moved the license plate down to the actual bumper now. Before, the license plate used to be on the body of the car, like right here. But now they actually moved it down. They actually even moved the tire rack down some. So now you can see out the back better. Along with adding that backup camera. Looks kind of weird with the rims because the little lock piece that goes over it couldn't fit back over with the rim style that I have. I'll probably try to create something to cover that back up. I did, I guess you could say first mod, I went ahead and got my front two windows tinted. Makes it look a lot better, especially on the black car. Alright, now let's see what's under the hood. It does have a V6 3.6 liter Pentastar engine, putting out 285 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque, and backed up by an 8-speed transmission. Don't worry about all the pollen, but here go the motor. It did switch around like where the battery's located now, but pretty much everything else is the same 3.6. All right, so to me, this is the biggest change to the Wrangler and probably what sold me on it. Now they all are push start now. Check out that right there. The digital dash gives you a lot of options now. Got your 8.4-inch touchscreen, and I do have Apple Play. You got your controls. You got apps you can go through. See the backup camera even when you're not in reverse. Do shifter, You got your controls for the windows, high outlet, another media source if you want to plug in auxiliary, or another USB, you got that. You got your controls. Another thing it does have is the stop assist, and this button right here is how you can turn it off or turn it on. You got your heating controls, AC, hill descent, turn the screen off. And then let's go to this dash area. So with this, on the steering wheel, you can change things. You can see messages. You got your audio stuff. Let you know with your stop start. You got your trip mileage. You got your fuel economy. Off-roading. You can see your pitch level. And back to the drivetrain. See your tire pressure. You know, when it due to the heat and all that, you know, all that kind of changes. Got your coolant, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil pressure, oil life, so you'll know when to get your oil change, battery voltage, and back to the tire pressure, and then back to the speedometer. Another thing they added is now you can have your auto lights. I mean, that's better for me. I don't have to worry about turning them on and off when I leave out. And then you do also have your daytime running lights. Big thing now I forgot to mention is this door stop now. So if you know, before with your Jeep, you couldn't do this. That wasn't possible. Door would flop right back. Now you got your door stopper. Now for the back seat, it's pretty roomy back here. Now you got your vents, so now the person back here could get some air. And you got your cup holders built into the headrest. Another thing I want to point out, I do have the upgraded Alpine sound system. And what that does, it gives you a subwoofer back here. They did put it back in this side panel. My JK had it in the floor. I like that better, actually, sound wise. But they did it so you can have some more room. You got a compartment here. You can store some stuff. Of course, where you put your bolts when you take the door off, so you don't lose them. And you got this nice little description here. That's the Jeep. Let me know if you got any questions, if there's anything else you want me to touch on in a later video. But for now, please hit the subscribe button, comment below. Like I said, let me know if you want me to talk about anything else. I can take the top down for you, talk more about the touchscreen options, go more into depth into that. So just let me know. All right, peace.